So it's party tonight. Neither you and Mr. Henry's friend are invited on party. So neither nor Mr. Henry's friend invited to party. What does it mean? Let's start with this. Neither nor. What is this? Neither you nor Mr. and my friends can come to my party. So neither nor is here. What are these? So let's start to learn. What is this? So guys, I have written the conjunctions like for, so, because or many are easy words. So what are the conjunctions? Conjunctions क्या होते हैं जो words को जोड़ने का काम करते हैं. So these are the very easy conjunctions. Everybody knows क्या होता है for. This gift is for you. So, I am here, so what are you doing? Because I am late because my bus got late. Or, so let's have tea or coffee. So, these are the easy ones. So, everybody knows about it. हर किसी को इनके बारे में पता है. So, let's talk about correlative conjunctions. What are the correlative conjunctions? These are the conjunctions which join statements and related information. These are going to join statements and related information. So how they are going to join statements and related information, that we are going to learn today. Okay, so what is the statement relating to these are, this is a statement, or you can say related information which I have written, like I am not going to invite Mr. X and Mr. X friend. So what is the correct sentence to write this? So which one is correct to write this sentence is, neither you nor yours Mr. Y friends can come to my party. तो मैंने तुम्हें भी नहीं invite किया और तुम्हारे Mr. Y के friend को भी नहीं invite किया. So neither nor is here. So what is this? Let's start with this one. So here we have girl and boy. I have taken one example. Okay. So let's start with this. How these are going to communicate and how these are going to start with this. Okay. So how these are going to relate in this. Okay. So first one is either or. Either or, you can say either you give money or take next week. Either you give money or take next week. Either you give me money or give me the next week. Okay. So here you can take more examples. Like I have said you can take tea or coffee. So here I can say in a correct way also. In a more you can say impressive way also, like this. Either you take tea or coffee. You are having choice. You can take coffee or tea. Okay, like you can say, this is the black marker I am having in my hand. I am going to take one chalk also. So either you can take this black marker, either you can take this. Either you can take black marker or chalk to write. Here I am going to give you two options. Either you can take black marker or chalk to write. Say here what I am giving you, I am giving you choice. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear with you. Either or we used to give choice to another person. Another one, not only but also. So here what is this? Not only but also. I am going to say here not only, this is a girl and boy, so I am going to take the example of them. Not only you can say the name of the person, Mr. B, and Mr. B and Miss M are happy. To say not only Mr. B and Mr. M are happy together, but also they got married. So what is this? इतना ही नहीं कि मिस्टर और मिस एम खुश थे आपस में, तो यहाँ पे मैंने उसको क्या कर दिया, एक तो वो दोनों खुश थे, सो इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग. ऊपर से उन्होंने क्या किया, बट ऑल्सो दे गॉट मैरिड, सो इट्स अ सरप्राइज. नॉट ओनली मीन्स एक खुशी के ऊपर एक और खुशी हो जाना. ओके, लाइक खुशी, सरप्राइज. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू नॉट ओनली शी गॉट 80%, but also she had taken the position of second in her standard. Okay, so but also surprise to surprise. So this is not only but also. I hope this thing is clear with you guys. Neither nor. Some people, so we are coming here now. What is neither and what is not? So neither nor neither nor. The two things are coming. Some people are saying it's neither nor. Some people are saying it's neither nor. So which one is correct? Okay. So both are correct, guys. Don't get confused in it. Mostly हम अगर educated people की बात करते हैं, they said neither nor. Some people uses is a neither nor. It's just a conversation. इसमें कोई difference नहीं है. Both are same. ओके दोनों सेम है, कोई नहीं है. यूएस में ऐसे बोलते हैं, यूएसए में ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, हमारे इंडिया में ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, कहीं पे कैसे बोल रहे हैं. इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. ओके सो इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रोनाउंसिएशन. हाउ दे आर प्रोनाउंसिंग, इट्स देयर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. इन द यूएसए दे आर प्रोनाउंसिंग लाइक नीदर नॉर. In some way they are pronouncing neither nor. So it's just a part of pronunciation. So what does it mean? Its meaning क्या है? That is more important. मैंने कहा neither nor. So here what I am saying, ना तो तुम ना तुम्हारे Mr. Y का friend party में आए. Okay? Neither you nor your Mr. friends can come to party. Can means आ सकते हैं. So I am not inviting them. So this means that. Migration means here things are not going to work together. Okay? So this is like this. The both things are true. You can say, okay, like this. Neither you study nor you go to party. ना तो तुमने पढ़ा, neither you study nor you go to party. Okay, ना तो पढ़ा ना तो पार्टी में गया. Okay, neither you got good band score nor you had taken participation in competition. ना तो तूने अच्छे बैंड स्कोर लिए, ना तूने कंपटीशन में पार्ट लिया. मीन्स बोथ द थिंग्स आर ट्रू. दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं किया. ओके सो इट्स लाइक दैट. ओके नाइदर दिस नॉट दैट. अनदर वन इज बोथ एंड. सो हियर बोथ एंड इट मीन्स इंक्लूडिंग. ओके लाइक यू कैन से बोथ सन, बोथ डॉटर्स एंड फादर, both daughters and father had enjoyed the party. Both daughters and father went to have a holiday. So it's both and including. Both, everything is including is both father. So I am including all the things here. So I hope guys ये आपको clear होगा. Okay? It's very important to know that आपको पता होना चाहिए ये चीज़ें basically हैं क्या. Okay? And how to use them. अब एक बार revision कर लेते हैं. Then I will go with test here. Either or choice. Either you can have your lunch or either you can have your lunch or go for meeting. So here I'm going to choices. Okay. Either you come here or go outside. So it's again your choice. Okay. You can come here, otherwise go outside. You can in the meeting, otherwise you can out of meeting. Anything like this. Not only she went to Amritsar, but also had gone to Shimla. So two surprises are there. हम कहते हैं कि वो यहाँ चला गया, उसके बाद वहाँ पे घूमने का चला गया, इसके बाद पता नहीं कितने पैसे हैं. हाँ, so like this. Okay. Not only he purchased Fortuner, but also had taken a boat. So here we are having two things together. So surprise, neither nor. Neither I am happy nor sad. ना तो मैं खुश हूँ, ना तो मैं दुखी हूँ. So it's like this. Neither I am okay nor too good. So it's like this. ना तो मैं okay हूँ, ना बहुत okay हूँ. Anything like this. Okay. Both and. You both and your friend are disturbing the class. So I am including them. You both and your friend. So inclusion is there. So I hope these correlative conjugations are clear with you guys. It's very important thing. You must know where to use them. Okay. So now let's start with one exercise. So guys, before going with some kind of examples which we are going to solve, let's start with this. What are these and how we will solve them? So they told me to either buy shoes or put them back. So what is this? उन्होंने मुझे कहा या तो shoes ले ले या उनको वही वापस पे रख दे. So what is this? Either or means the what they are giving you? They are giving you choice. Okay. So another one. Not only did it smell, but it also taste funny. Very much funny. So let's take example. Somebody served us burger. So not only did it smell, when I take it, it was very much smelly. I am having smell here there. So I'm going to say, not only did it smell, but also taste funny. So it's what is this? So what kind of this sentence? This is surprise. Here I got surprise. Not only it smell, but it tastes funny. So let's start with another one. Let's take the example of one dog. I am having one. The dog neither ate nor slept at night. They are nowadays stubborn because of summer. There is too much hot. The days are getting too much hot, so they are not eating, and not getting sleep at night. So let's go with the one example. The dog neither ate nor slept at night. So what is this? This is negation. Neither he did this nor that. So it's true for both. Mr. E was both funny and modest about his own adventures. Mr. E, he is too much fun. He never talk about his abilities, he just keep them to himself, okay? So he is very much funny and modest about his adventures. So what is this? Mr. E was both funny and his adventure. He is both funny and modest. There are two things. He is both funny and modest about his adventures. So where I have using both and. So which one is this? I am including his or abilities. So he is having hidden abilities which is not going to attack anybody. It's modest means the person who keeps his all abilities to himself. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear with you guys. Which one is choice, surprise, negation, including. So here I am going to start with these things. This one, so what is this? We are having options here. So we are going to match with the blanks. So let's start. Not only was it of great quality, but it was also cheap. This one is very much cheap. I took it only for 10 rupees. Oh my god, it's of awesome quality also. It is writing very well. So it is of great quality and cheap. बहुत अच्छी quality और cheap भी है. So means I am getting what I am getting here. I am getting surprise. सस्ता भी है और अच्छी quality का भी है. So I am going to mark here 1. So let's start with another one. Both the man and his dog were stupid. Oh my god. So the person and his dog both are stupid, So person and dog both are stupid. So which one is correct? Both the man, his dog are stupid. So which one is correct, guys? Tell me. Both and means these two are including here. So which one is there? Inclusions. Which one is this one? It's the second one here. Done. Now the next one. Neither the woman nor the man were happy with the answer. They both are not happy. Sometimes in, we can say, speed, we just write and we don't look at the spelling. So it's Neipher. Neipher. So in speed, mistake. Neither the woman nor the man were happy with the answer. Both are not happy with the answer. Means both are at the same point and they are talking about the same thing. Both are true to one statement. दोनों खुश नहीं एक statement पे. ना तो मैं खुश हूँ, ना तो लड़का खुश है, ना लड़की खुश है. Both are not happy. So both are not happy. So it's a point of here negation. Either you watch the program or we switch off the television. Either you can do this or you can do this. So here I am giving you choice. Watch the television, otherwise switch off. So which one is this? So this one is left. So here I am going to mark for choice. So I hope this thing is clear with you guys. मैंने बहुत सारे examples देके आपको समझाया है और इससे I think easy भी नहीं होगा इसको समझाने का. So look at them, how to go with try to revise all the things. मैंने last time आपको क्या कराया था? Last time we went with compound mistakes. So right away go to that. Right away. So I went with right away over there also. So look at those things also. What are the mistakes in conjunctions? Which one is correct or not correct? Okay. So alright. Alright also guys. It's ALLRIGHT or this one. Alright. So what is the difference here that I told you in the last video? So जिन्होंने देखा उनको पता होगा. So this one is alright correct here or this one? So look at that video also. Alright. So this is done with this. Have a nice day guys. Don't forget and like to my videos. Keep watching and learning. I am doing my work. I hope you people are doing your work by yourself. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.